and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Lankan journalist believes that relics of St. Francis Xavier is a preserved body of Buddhist monk. Church appeals people not to believe in false propaganda. Russia to issue advisory to their citizens against travelling to Goa, slams Indian authorities alleging discriminatory treatment. CM Parrikar skips inauguration of 19th Yuva Mahotsav. Kokani Crusaders oppose MOI decision, threaten of severe consequences in Lok Sabha poll. Kankonkas demand justice, crack down by Sunday on murderers of Vijaya Phagi or else face the brunt from Monday. Phagi community warns government. Goa will have an Academy of National Security, will ensure a secure Goan coastline, assures CM Parrikar. And Goa's Jason Norona and Germany's Ali van Moltke clinch top positions in India's first tower run in Panji. Now news in detail. A Sri Lankan journalist and a writer believes that relics of St. Francis Xavier is a preserved body of a Buddhist monk from Sri Lanka. He said DNA test on the body will prove the authentication of the preserved body. However, the church in Goa has appealed the people not to believe in false propaganda. Rector of Basilica of Born Jesus said government should investigate into such fraudulent rumors.
The body believed to be that of Venerable Sri Lanka, believed to be. So in fact, personally, I didn't like to carry this picture in my article, because I have never written, very little, 1 or 2 words only I have written about this.
Kaviratne in his article on a weekly made a mention of his beliefs. However, he doesn't claim that the body in the casket is of a Buddhist monk.
I just touch what the Sinhala Buddhist majority believe in this country, in that country. That's all. I didn't comment on that, but I thought, according to my conscience, these are just folklores. These are just myths. These have no any scientific or historical basis.
Kaviratne informed that, according to Buddhist monks, Goa is reluctant for a DNA test of the body, whereas the Sri Lankans demand a DNA test on the body preserved in the Born Jesus of Basilica.
I have stressed scientific evidence should be there. Some people in our country also suggest to conduct a DNA test. Then all these problems can be solved. But that is also another argument by the Buddhist Sinhala, their scholars, why Goa is reluctant to carry. This is not my point of view. Please don't carry Kavirana or said so. I am just telling their opinions in Sri Lanka. Right? Nothing is my opinion.
However, the church in Goa has appealed the people not to believe in such doctrines and speeches. During expositions, such type of rumors appear. Government has to find out who is behind this, why they promote such outrageous statements. They don't have any basis. I appeal to Goans and all people not to believe such theories and people. Government should investigate what some people want to achieve by spreading such stories and rumors. Exposition of St. Francis Xavier is scheduled this year, and people from all over the world are expected to visit Goa to worship the saint. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Dinesh Karpe and Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
Russian authorities in Goa have ridiculed Indian authorities for not allowing them to organize a mega event in Goa. Russian authorities have issued an advisory against India to their citizens. Deputy General of Russian Federation in Mumbai, Alexei, said that Russian-Indian friendship has weakened.
The Russian authorities expressed their anguish for not allowing the Russian mega event to happen in Goa. He says it will hamper the economy of Goa.
If you don't want Russian money, you are welcome. We have enough places to be recommended to our Russian tourists.
He further read the comment of the ambassador of Russia.
This unjust approach of the state authorities to the organizing of cultural events will have really negative consequences for arriving Russian tourists in Goa. In this way, they will have to search our tourists, to search for more hospitable and friendly resorts. And all travel agencies in Russia will also have to take proper steps and make necessary correction into the travel advisories.
Two-day Indo-Russian live music festival was set to take place at Baga on January 31st and 1st February. But the authorities didn't allow the festival to happen in Goa. Omkar Falari for Prudent.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar skipped the inauguration of 19th Goa Yuva Mahotsav at Vasco. Konkani Crusaders were all set to corner CM on his MOI decision. Konkani Bhasha Mandal too has opposed government's MOI decision but has justified his absence. Organizers of Yuva Mahotsav and members of Goa Rakan Manch have threatened of a severe agitation and said that CM will face the consequences in Lok Sabha poll.
Konkani Bhasha Mandal has opposed CM's MOI decision, but President Chetan Acharya made a failed attempt to justify CM's skipping act from Mahotsav inauguration.
परिकारान घेतला बीजेपी सरकारान घेतला ते आमकां कोंकणी भाशा मंडळाक कशेंच मान्य ना आनी ते आसपाकय बी शकना. काल म्हाका सीएमान फोन करून सांगले की थोडे कितें तरी मिसकम्युनिकेशन जालां देखून आपल्याला पयलींच आपूण चेन्नई वचपाचो आशिल्लो पूण तेंय बी आपल्याला ड्रॉप जालां आनी कळंगुटे आपण एक प्रोग्राम घेतिल्लो आसा आपूण थंय आसतलो अशें सीएमान आमकां सांगलें.
Organizing president of Yuva Mahotsav termed CM's skipping act a miscommunication.
तेच अध्यक्षान सांगला तेच प्रमाणे मिसकम्युनिकेशन जाले कारण ताणी आमकां येता म्हणून सांगिल्लें पळय तांच्या डायरेक्टरी नोट जाल्ले. Being a Yuva, I will always say that I am with Konkani.
Actor and director Rajdeep Naik warned CM of mega agitation which will go against BJP in the forthcoming Lok Sabha poll.
आणि हांवें इवन फेसबूक वाल्यान म्हटलेलें की युवा महोत्सवाक मनोहर पर्रीकार जर माटवान येतलो आसत जाल्यार आमकां उत्तर दिवचें पडटलें. आमचे कडेन फटींगपणां कित्याक केली कॅबिनेटा भितर आसा बाकीचे मंत्री आसा एक शब्द काडपाक सोदिना हेजो अर्थ कितें म्हणजे तुमी हांव ताका जाहीरपणान विचारता कितें हुकुमशाही चलयल्या हांगासर. हय आतां आमी सुरू करता आमचें आंदोलन आमी सुरू करता आनी लोकसभेच्या इलेक्शनाक ताका हाजो परिणाम भोगचो पडटलो.
Yugank Naik of Goa Rakhand Manch too expressed his anguish.
त्या खातीर जे मनोहर पर्रीकार सरकारान जे माध्यम प्रश्नाचेर जे धोरण घेतलां तें आमच्या तत्वाच्या विरोधांत आसा आनी हें धोरण आमी फुडें वचपाक दिवचें.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar flatly refused to comment on the issue. 19th Yuva Mahotsav was inaugurated at the hands of former GCCI chairman Nitin Kukalkar and Daboli MLA Movin Gudino. Dishan Parab for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.